Welcome. This video provides an overview of the bank account analysis tabs and explains how CAs and taxation professionals analyze bank statements. After analysis, the summary details of the report appear by default. Here, you can view the basic bank account details like account holder, number, and statement period. Users can use the download option to download the Analyzed Credit Report (CAM) for the selected bank account in Excel format. Switching to the counterparty view, we can focus on transactions categorized by the entities involved. This helps in understanding the flow of funds and identifying key transaction partners. Procedure aids in tax compliance by automatically tagging transactions. For instance, here's a transaction tagged as salary, which is crucial for income tax reporting and verification. By clicking on the salary tag, we view all related transactions. This detailed view shows all salary credits from the counterparty, along with calculated and adjusted balances, ensuring accurate income analysis. Procedure further categorizes transactions into inflow and outflow categories. This comprehensive categorization helps in understanding the source and use of funds, providing a clear financial overview. Under inflow categories, we see the total transaction amounts and counts for categories like loans, internal transfers, and cash and ATM. This detailed breakdown assists in analyzing the income mix. The outflow categories show spending patterns, including sales and marketing, funds transfer, and loan repayments. Additionally, we can see tax paid amounts, simplifying tax calculation. The savings and investments analysis provides a visual and tabular summary of all investments, helping to assess the client's financial stability and investment strategy over time. Under the Loans tab, all loan-related transactions are identified and grouped. This simplifies the process of tracking loan obligations and verifying repayment schedules. Finally, the Loan Analysis screen gives a detailed overview of loan obligations, EMI details, and any EMI bounce history, which is vital for assessing credit risk. For a detailed demo or any queries, please reach out to us. Thank you.